When it comes to woodworking, having the right tools can turn a good project into something amazing. And if you thought you knew all the essentials, wait till you see what's on this list. Imagine a tool so precise, it feels like holding an entire workshop in the palm of your hand, perfect for those intricate, detail-driven tasks. Now, picture a work table that's more than just a place to work. It's a sawhorse, a table, and a storage hub all in one. It transforms based on your needs and can support the heaviest jobs with ease. And that's just the beginning. There are even more game-changing tools from WORX that'll take your woodworking to a whole new level. Keep watching to find out what they are. Let's get started. If you need a drill that can tackle hard concrete without breaking a sweat, the WORX SlammerDrill might be your next favorite tool. It's built for tough jobs like drilling into reinforced concrete thanks to its active hammer technology that delivers a serious punch with every shot. Unlike your typical combi drills, this one doesn't give up on concrete. It keeps pushing through, saving you from dragging out a heavy rotary hammer. The SlammerDrill runs on a 20 volts brushless motor, meaning you're getting 25% more power and a much longer runtime. Plus, that extra torque, 60 Newton meters, makes screwing in large fasteners a breeze. Whether you're working on steel, wood, or concrete, the variable speed transmission gives you just the right control. And with the WORX PowerShare system, you can swap out the battery for any other tool in the lineup. So if you're looking for serious versatility in a compact, cordless package, this one's worth checking out. For precise cuts that won't take up your entire workspace, the WORX sliding compound miter saw is a smart choice. It's designed for convenience, with a compact form that makes it easy to move around without sacrificing cutting power. You'll appreciate the built-in clamp that holds your material steady while you work, keeping things safe and hands-free. This saw features a 20 volts battery, giving you enough juice to handle a full day of DIY tasks. The sliding function allows for long, clean cuts, perfect for framing or crown molding. With a bevel that adjusts up to 45 degrees, it's great for miter cuts too. Plus, the light-assisted shadow line gives you accuracy, so every cut is spot on. For anyone tired of lugging around bulky tools, this miter saw is a reliable and portable option. For those who love crafting or detailed projects, the WORX MakerX Rotary Tool is like having a precision workshop in your hand. This compact rotary tool is part of the MakerX system, and it's perfect for everything from engraving to polishing. The brushless motor gives you more power and longer runtime, and with speeds up to 35,000 RPM, you have control over the finest details. The best part? It's super easy to hold, with an ergonomic design that feels more like a pen than a power tool. The 4-foot cord connected to the MakerX hub means you can take this tool anywhere without worrying about outlets. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or even plastic, this rotary tool makes it easy to work on intricate details with confidence. It's portable, precise, and ideal for crafters on the go. Say goodbye to those bulky, hard-to-handle leaf blowers. The WORX LeafJet is a lightweight option that still packs a punch. Whether you're clearing out the driveway or tidying up the yard, this 20 volts blower does the job without leaving you sore the next day. It features sonic turbine fan technology that delivers an impressive 410 cubic feet per minute of airflow at 130 miles per hour, so even those stubborn wet leaves don't stand a chance. What sets this blower apart is the variable air control nozzle that lets you adjust the power for different jobs. Plus, the ultra-lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, even for long periods. No more struggling with gas blowers. This one's cordless, efficient, and simple to use. Just grab it, power it on, and you're ready to clear any space in minutes. If you're in the market for an angle grinder that's lightweight but still powerful, the WORX 20 volts angle grinder is worth a look. At only 1.6 kilograms, it's one of the lightest in its class, making it perfect for long jobs or working in tight spaces. But don't let the weight fool you. It delivers the same grinding performance as a corded grinder. What makes this tool stand out is its electronic anti-kickback technology. It senses jams and stops the wheel instantly, giving you peace of mind during use. The slim body design and soft grip make it comfortable to handle for extended periods, whether you're cutting metal, sanding down wood, or grinding concrete. This grinder does it all with ease. And since it's part of the WORX PowerShare system, you can swap batteries with other tools in the range. The WORX axis is all about versatility. With its pivoting head, you can switch from a reciprocating saw to a jigsaw in just seconds, making it perfect for a variety of jobs. Whether you're cutting through wood, PVC, metal, or even tree limbs, this tool handles it all. The 20 volts max lithium battery offers long-lasting performance, so you won't be running out of power in the middle of a project. The tool-free blade change is a huge bonus. Just push a button and switch out the blades with no hassle. Plus, it's compatible with both standard reciprocating saw blades and T-shank jigsaw blades. Need a clearer cutting line? The built-in blower removes dust and debris as you work. This compact and lightweight tool is ideal for tackling jobs around the house, while the same 20 volts battery works with other tools in the PowerShare family. It's got endless cutting possibilities in a portable package. For those who need a lawnmower that can handle the toughest yards, the 21-inch self-propelled WORX lawnmower is the way to go. It features a brushless motor paired with 4 high-capacity batteries, giving you the power and runtime to get the job done right. With rear-wheel drive and variable speed control, you can adjust the mower's speed based on your yard's needs. The Auto IntelliCut technology automatically adjusts power when the grass thickens and conserves battery when it's lighter. This mower comes with a 21-inch steel cutting deck and NutriCut dual-stage mulching, so it leaves your lawn looking great. Plus, you can switch between bagging, mulching, and side discharge modes with a single lever. And when the workday is over, it's easy to store with a collapsible handle. This lawnmower isn't just powerful, it's smart, efficient, and easy to use. From emergencies to everyday use, this multifunction tool is always ready to help. The WORX multifunction portable jump starter is a lifesaver, literally. It can jumpstart your car, motorcycle, or even your ATV with ease. It's designed for engines up to 4.0 liters for gas and 3.0 liters for diesel. You'll appreciate the built-in USB charging port to keep your devices powered when you're on the road. With 30 jumps per charge and an SOS strobe light for emergencies, this compact jump starter is always ready to go. It also doubles as a work light or flashlight, perfect for low-light situations. It's got reverse polarity and spark-proof protection for safety, and its water-resistant design makes it great for any weather condition. Compact and easy to store, it's a tool you won't regret having in your car. The ultimate cleaning companion for any outdoor task. It's the WORX Hydroshot, a 20 volts battery-powered portable cleaner that's as versatile as it gets. Whether you're cleaning your patio, car, or garden tools, it delivers up to 5 times more power than a regular hose. You can use fresh water from any source, be it a pond, lake, or even a bucket, thanks to its 20-foot hose and bucket clip. With 320 psi of pressure, it's not going to strip paint off your house, but it's more than enough to clean dirt, mud, and grime. Plus, the Hydroshot is lightweight and portable, so it's perfect for any outdoor cleaning job. The adjustable pressure nozzle gives you control over the spray, whether you need a fine mist or a powerful jet. This tool is a game changer for anyone who wants a cleaner yard or vehicle without the bulk of a traditional pressure washer. If you're looking for a tool that can handle a variety of tasks, the WORX Sonicrafter is a must-have. It's a powerful, multi-function tool that's perfect for cutting, sanding, scraping, and more. With its 20 volts motor, it delivers the performance you need for tough jobs, while its oscillating function makes for quick, precise cuts. What's really cool about the Sonicrafter is its tool-free blade change. Just a quick push of a button and you're ready to go. Whether you're working on home renovations or small DIY tasks, this tool is efficient and versatile. It's part of the PowerShare family, so you can use the same battery across over 75 WORX tools. Plus, its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle for extended periods, giving you both comfort and control during any project. Looking for a work table that adapts to your needs? The WORX Pegasus is more than just a table. It's a portable sawhorse and a sturdy workbench rolled into one. It supports up to 1,000 pounds, so it can handle heavy-duty tasks without breaking a sweat. You get 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs, so your materials stay firmly in place while you work.
Whether you're cutting, sanding, staining, or assembling, this table is built to make things easier. Its collapsible design means you can quickly fold it up and store it away when you're done, or take it on the go. Need more space? You can link multiple Pegasus tables together to create an even larger work area. It's the perfect addition to any DIYer or professional's toolkit. And with a built-in storage shelf for tools and supplies, everything you need is right at your fingertips, making it a must-have for any project, indoors or outdoors. Tired of struggling with straight cuts? The WORX ExactTrack circular saw is here to make your life easier. This saw takes precision cutting to a whole new level. With its built-in ExactTrack guide, you can turn any straight piece of material into a guide rail for quick and accurate cuts. It doesn't require extra attachments, so you can work faster and with more precision. This saw features a 165mm blade with a 55mm cutting depth, making it perfect for a variety of materials, from wood to metal to plastic. With a no-load speed of 4,900 RPM, it cuts through materials quickly and smoothly. It's lightweight at just 2.7 kilograms, which means less fatigue on long projects. Plus, the bevel is adjustable up to 50 degrees, and the electric blade stop adds an extra layer of safety. Whether you're working on cross, rip, plunge, or bevel cuts, the WORX ExactTrack circular saw handles it all, and it's part of the PowerShare family, so you can swap out batteries with other tools. If you're looking for a drill driver that offers speed and precision, check out the WORX Switch Driver 2.0. This upgraded version features a powerful brushless motor offering 25% more power, 50% longer runtime, and 10% longer tool life compared to older models. What makes it really stand out is the rotating dual chucks, allowing you to switch between drill and driver bits in seconds. The digital keypad lets you adjust torque settings from 1 to 9, and you can easily toggle between drilling and driving with the touch of a button. The variable speed trigger offers complete control, giving you the perfect speed every time. Plus, the 2-speed gearbox handles both basic and advanced tasks, whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or drywall. The ergonomic design reduces user fatigue so you can work longer without discomfort. And of course, it's compatible with over 75 PowerShare tools, so you only need one battery system for all your gear. Looking for a compact vacuum that can handle wet and dry messes? The WORX Wet-Dry Vacuum packs 17 kilopascals of suction power into a 2.1-gallon tank, perfect for everything from cleaning your car to tackling messes in the workshop. It has 2 suction settings, high and low, so you can adjust it to your needs. Plus, it quickly switches from a vacuum to a blower, making it versatile for all kinds of cleanup jobs. The vacuum is super compact, and with a shoulder strap, you can carry it around easily, even for longer tasks. The extendable 6.5-foot hose comes with an onboard crevice tool and a wide nozzle, making it easy to reach tight spots. Its lightweight design means you can store it just about anywhere, and the integrated carry handle makes it even more portable. It's powered by the same battery as other WORX tools, so you'll always have the power you need to get the job done. If you're after a reliable, compact drill that can handle any task, the WORX YX102 is exactly what you need. This 20 volts cordless drill comes with a brushless motor that gives you longer run times and more power. Thanks to the variable 2-speed design, you can drill and fasten with ease, whether you're working on wood, metal, or building something like a deck or fence. At just 1.5 kilograms, it's lighter and easier to handle compared to other drills, making those long jobs a lot more manageable. The heavy-duty 13mm keyless chuck means you're always ready to tackle any project, and the built-in LED light ensures your workspace stays well lit even in darker areas. And because it's part of the WORX PowerShare system, you can use the same battery across over 75 other WORX tools, making it a great addition to your toolkit. Need a versatile clamping station for your workshop? The WORX Jawhorse is here to make your life easier. This heavy-duty portable work support holds up to 2,200 pounds, and it can hold up to 440 pounds, solid heavy-duty steel construction, so whether you're working on wood, metal, or even bike repairs, this sawhorse can handle it. What sets it apart is the hands-free locking feature. You don't need any extra hands. Just step on the pedal and clamp your workpiece securely. Plus, it's made of solid steel construction for durability. The clamp expands up to 34.6 inches, so it's perfect for a wide range of projects. Need quick setup? This portable clamping system is ready to go in seconds, and when you're done, it folds up for easy storage. The WORX Jaw Horse is a must-have for any DIYer looking for solid support in the workshop. For fast, clean cuts in the yard, the WORX 20 volts cordless chainsaw is your go-to tool. Weighing just 6.2 pounds, it's lightweight but packs enough power to handle small tree trimming and heavy pruning with ease. It features a 10-inch bar and an automatic tool-free chain tension system, so you won't have to worry about tightening the chain mid-task. The chainsaw also includes automatic chain lubrication, keeping the system running smoothly. Ideal for yard cleanup or quick trimming jobs, it's designed for convenience and efficiency. The 20 volts max battery is part of the WORX PowerShare system, so it's compatible with over 75 other WORX tools. It's a perfect choice for light landscaping work, and the best part is, you can easily clean the chainsaw after use, thanks to the tool's quick maintenance features. Lightweight, powerful, and easy to use, this chainsaw is built for convenience. Get your paint job done faster and cleaner with the WORX WX020 cordless paint sprayer. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers 25% more power and 50% longer runtime than standard motors, making it perfect for tackling any painting project. The HVLP technology ensures a smooth, even coat with minimal overspray, which saves both time and paint. It's lightweight at just 3.5 pounds, so it's easy to maneuver for overhead jobs or detailed work. With adjustable airflow and multiple nozzle sizes, you have complete control over your spray pattern, allowing for a professional finish every time. Plus, it's part of the WORX PowerShare system, so the same battery works across more than 75 WORX tools. Cleanup is a breeze too, with the included hose adapter that lets you quickly rinse out the sprayer. This tool is perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects, from walls to fences. For trimming tall hedges and shrubs, the WORX Pull Hedge Trimmer is a must-have. With an extendable pull that reaches up to 3.2 meters, you can trim those high branches without needing a ladder, making the job safer and easier. The 45-centimeter laser-cut blades provide clean, precise cuts through branches up to 16 millimeters thick. The rotating rear handle gives you comfort and control, so you can trim from any angle without straining your arms. At only 3.6 kilograms, it's lightweight, reducing fatigue during longer sessions. Whether you're maintaining hedges, trimming bushes, or shaping trees, this trimmer offers the reach and power you need. The adjustable head allows for multiple cutting angles, making it versatile enough for all your trimming needs. Like other WORX tools, it's part of the PowerShare system, so you can use the same battery across multiple WORX tools. That wraps it up for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more.